Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to install React on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and type Node.js download and press enter. Now, click on the first link. Here you will find different versions of Node.js, but the latest version is 23.5, but it is the current version, so it might be unstable. So always prefer to download the latest LTS version. As of now, the latest LTS version is 22.12. Select that option. You can choose the operating system you want to install the Node.js. Currently, I am downloading it for Windows. Now, click on Windows Installer. The application will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded now, it is time to download Visual Studio Code. Open the new tab and type Visual Studio Code download and press enter. Open the first Microsoft link, scroll down, and free download Windows 64 installer. While it is downloading, we will install Node.js. Open the installer and double-click on it. Now, click on the Next button. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. This is where your app will be installed. You can change the location. Click on Next. Again, click on Next. Check the box if you want to install other necessary tools. I am not installing it. If you want, you can check the box. Click on Next. Now, click on Install, wait for some time until the process is completed. Once the process is completed, click on Finish. Once it is downloaded, now we need to install Visual Studio Code. Open the File Explorer and go to the location and double-click on the installer. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Change the location if you want and click on Next. Again, click on Next. Now check all the options and click on Next. Now click on Install. Wait for some time until the installation is completed. Once it is done, click on Finish. Now, right-click on the desktop and create a new folder. Name the folder as per your preference. Now, open the folder and click on the top address bar. Now, type CMD and press Enter. Now, type np x space create React app space and type the name of your project and press Enter. It will ask you to install some packages. Type Y and press Enter. It will take some time and install some packages. The installation process is now completed, but you can see that some errors like legacy peer errors have occurred while installing the packages. We need to fix this error. To fix these errors, type npm config set. Legacy peer deps true and press Enter. Also, it is saying some update is available. copy that code and press enter. It will take some time to update these packages. Once the updates are finished, close the command prompt and open it again as we done earlier. Now enter npx space create react app space and type the name of your project and press enter. It will take some time and install some packages again. Once it is done, you can see that it is saying successfully created the project. Now type cd space project name and press enter. Now type code space dot. It will open Visual Studio Code. Now click on Yes. Here you will see different files like index, favicon, logo, app CSS, and app.js, etc. Once the Visual Studio Code is opened, you can now run the program. To run the program, click on the three dots on the upper left corner and click on npm scripts. Once it is done, you can see the npm scripts available on the lower left corner. Once you opened it, you will see the Run button. You can click on that to run these programs. You can also run these programs on another way. To do this, click on the terminal and click on New Terminal. Now type npm space start and press enter. Wait for some time. You can see that the program is showing is some codegen error. We can fix this. To fix this error, type the following command that is shown on the screen and press enter. Wait for some time to fix these errors. Once the packages are installed, again type npm start and press enter and wait for some time. It will automatically open the local host 3000 in a browser and show the program running. You can also make some changes to the code. To do this, open the app.js file and make some changes to the code. Here I am changing the header. Once the changes are made, press Ctrl plus an S and save the code. Now, go the local host, 3000 browser opened earlier. You can see that the code is update in the browser. That's it. This is how we install React on your Windows 10 or 11. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye.